Hello friends, now we see the problem number 2, which is also based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 2 is y equal to 3 raised x plus 3 raised 3 plus x raised 3. And for this function, we have to find dy by dx. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with y equal to 3 raised x plus 3 raised 3 plus x raised 3. Now differentiate this function with respect to x, we get the derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of function 3 raised x plus d by dx of function 3 raised 3 plus d by dx of function x raised 3. Therefore, the next step will be dy by dx is equal to, now derivative of 3 raised x, so here we have to apply formula that derivative of a raised x is equal to a raised x log a, and therefore the derivative of 3 raised x is 3 raised x into log 3 plus, now here d by dx of 3 raised 3, so here 3 raised 3 that gives us 27, so which represent a constant term, and derivative of constant term is always 0, and therefore the d by dx, that is the derivative of 3 raised 3 is 0 plus, now d by dx of x cube, so here we use power rule that d by dx of x raised n gives us n into x raised n minus 1, and therefore the d by dx of x cube gives us 3x square. Therefore finally we have dy by dx is equal to 3 raised x into log 3 plus 3x square. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.